Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving deliberately so nothing is lost. Press Ctrl+S or use File Save and confirm the file name and location. Once done, check Auto Recover settings under File Options Save to ensure an up-to-date recovery point. Also make sure to close any linked apps. Excel sheets or embedded media often prevent a clean exit. By resolving those dependencies now, you reduce errors and speed up closing. This prevents prompts and lost edits when you proceed to exit PowerPoint. You now follow a clear sequence. Use File close to shut the presentation window or press Alt+F4 for a faster exit. When prompts appear, read them. Choose Save if you made changes, don't save if edits are unneeded, or cancel to return and verify. If multiple presentations are open, repeat for each or use File Exit to close the application entirely. Make sure to wait for background saves to finish before forcing closure, because interrupted saves cause file corruption. Finish by confirming PowerPoint has exited and no background save is running, otherwise wait. If the app freezes, force quit via Task Manager, Ctrl+Shift+S on Windows, but know that this risks lost edits. Once restarted, recover unsaved work through File Info Manage Presentation to access Auto Recover versions. If freezes recur, make sure to disable suspicious add-ins in File Options, Add-ins, and Restart. That one troubleshooting step, disabling add.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.